Installing the SoClean 3 filter. The filter converts ozone back to oxygen as it leaves the SoClean 3 chamber. With normal usage of 1 maintenance cycle per day, the filter needs to be replaced approximately every 6 months or when indicated by your device. Your SoClean 3 will not run with an old or counterfeit filter. To order a replacement filter, go to your authorized reseller or SoClean.com. The following steps are used to install the filter in your SoClean 3. Plug the power supply into the back of your SoClean 3 as shown. Plug the power supply into an AC wall outlet or power strip. Locate the filter door on the back of your SoClean unit and open it by pulling the top edge of the filter door away from the unit. The filter door will open just wide enough for the filter to slide in. Insert the filter into the slot with the blue rubber gasket facing the chamber as shown. Push the filter door until it is fully closed. At this point in your SoClean 3 setup, your control panel should appear as shown. The hose not detected icon is illuminated on your control panel because a sleep equipment mask or hose has not been placed into the SoClean 3 with the lid closed.